In the world of storage, there are three options: a shared server, a dedicated server, and a cloud server. What is a cloud server and how is it different from a shared server or a dedicated server? The best way to understand servers is to think of them like houses. A shared server is like a big house with a large group of people living in it. It has its own water, electricity, and utilities, and all the occupants share them. In most cases, they can share them very easily and equally, but sometimes a person may need more resources. On a shared server, everyone shares the same resources like RAM, CPU, and bandwidth, which reduces the cost. Since they are using more resources, less are available for the other occupants, ultimately affecting performance. This loss of resources can dramatically affect business-critical applications. A dedicated server, which is a more stable option, is like buying a house for your family. You own the building and the land it sits on. It has its own water, electricity, and utilities, and you get exclusive use and do not have to share with anyone else. However, all upkeep and maintenance is your responsibility. If your family grows, you will need to pay for a home addition, or even purchase a larger home altogether. A dedicated server comes with a large upfront cost to cover the hardware, power, operating system, and software. This environment is extremely stable as nobody else can use your resources. One issue is that you must be sure of the growth of your business. Otherwise, you may overload the server if you grow too fast or unnecessarily have too much space by not growing quick enough. Also, hardware value depreciates quickly, so you must always have good cash flow to stay up to date. The best option is a Percento cloud server. A cloud server is like a secure luxury apartment that is part of a larger building, allowing for multiple homes on the same piece of land as a single home. There are many benefits of apartment living based off economies of scale. The cost is significantly lower than a house. Even though they share the same land, they have their own power, water, and electricity. None of these utilities are shared with other apartments, so they are always available to the owner. A cloud server is used the same way, where a massive server is split into many virtual servers, each with their own unshared resources, operating system, and software, which offers great stability. One great benefit is that you only must pay for what you currently need, and it is simple to scale up or down. Ultimately, this means that you never have to pay for resources you don't need. To find out more about how Percento cloud servers can improve your business, visit percentotech.com.